Okay, next one up for me is this lovely old school Norton 750 Commando. What a lovely example. Just had it running. Starts on the button. Yes, electric start, old school Commando. It's got a proper Mikuni carb on it, so it runs a treat. So this is going to get a whole heap of trot love. We have done this once before, but it was some time ago. So it needs some proper detailing. All these wheels, all the engine cases, pipes, everything's going to get some trot love on this. We'll polish up all this tank, see if we can get that all nice and shiny. Front mudguard forks, all these lovely hubs. So yeah, we've got our work cut out for us with this. This will be an enjoyable valet. Like I said, we have done it once before, but it was some time ago. So time to work a little trot magic and give this old girl a bit of trot love. Give me a few hours.
There you go, 4 hours and 30 minutes. This Norton 750 Commando has been fully trotted. Oh my God, this thing is looking freaking sweet. This is a proper valet on this. This is no modern bullshit. This is proper sweat and tears. I've been polishing this thing for the last 4 hours, but oh my God, she is worth it. Look at this, she is gorgeous.
Absolutely stunning. Every bit of alley has been polished on this. I mean, I could spend all day if you got really to the nitty gritty, but we've done what we can. Make it cost effective. That tank has come up a right treat. As you've been watching along, all the hubs, forks, engine cases. I didn't really jet wash the motor too much. I didn't want to get any of the electrics wet, so mainly just the wheels we jet washed, but everything else has been polished. You want to see the best thing on this bike? Oh.